Hi, look what we got today. Remember when I told you this was going to be delivered? Well, it's here. Today's the day. You know what it is? Of course you know what it is. Oh. Well, it's easy with a little owner's manual like that. HOTLOGIC 4 and HOTLOGIC 8. This is amazing. Hope you're as excited as me. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's solid. There's some solid cardboard there. I thought you'd like seeing me unbox it. Tomorrow we're going to use it. Or maybe later tonight. There we go. This is... Careful now. You see it before me? How's it look? Oh, it's beautiful. It's upside down, but it's beautiful. Wow. Look at this. This is the HOTLOGIC HL400. Look at that, baby. This is the ultimate either breakroom oven or family meal warming appliance, cafeteria appliance. I'll tell you, watch. Look at that. Wow, it's all transparent. Isn't that beautiful? This is a 4-meal warming oven that you could use at work, in your office, at home, which I'm going to do. This has SmartShelf Technology. Each one of these shelves, you can cook. Remember the HOTLOGICs? Remember, look. You remember we love the HOTLOGIC so much. The HOTLOGIC Mini, you heard of it. You can cook in the car with it, which we did already. Cooked in my truck, cooked on my lawnmower. We have the family size HOTLOGICs. We got them all. Got the Mini XP, which expands. And you can put your meal in the bottom, cook it, keep it warm. This expands big. And you can put plates or utensils, or I already put bowls up there, bread and butter up there for my meal. Anyway, this is the HOTLOGIC, and this will cook or heat meals slowly and evenly. And it's usually like the temperature of low on a slow cooker, we found. And we've already cooked from frozen in the HOTLOGIC. Frozen chicken, we cook in here about 3-4 hours. Or warm something up, leftovers or whatever, and it stays warm all day. It will keep each meal at the perfect temperature all day, we found. Anywhere, all day. We put it in the morning, come home from work, and we have our meal done or cooked. And this is such a great appliance because it saves time and money. And it's less energy than a microwave. It's more cleaner than a microwave. Cooking sealed containers, fast food containers, and little frozen lasagnas or meals we get like that, soup. You'll see, Check my playlist of HOTLOGICs. I have 77 videos there. 77 ideas for you. Look. Start up. Look how easy. I can't wait to peel this off. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that going to look nice on the counter? You can get 2 of these and stack them up there. They have indents there where the feet will fit in. Let's see. Put one on top of each other. That would look really nice, right? See that? How to use your new HOTLOGIC. Start up. Turn HOTLOGIC unit on. Switch is located on the bottom at the left rear corner. Wait for all SmartShelf lights to turn red. 3 to 5 minutes. Step 1. Place your meal on an empty red SmartShelf. Meals must be in a sealed container with a flat bottom. Step 2, verify that the SmartShelf light turns blue, signaling that your food is heating. Average heating time, 60 to 90 minutes. But there again, I'll say we could keep it in there 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, because we did already. And it doesn't burn, it doesn't dry out, it just stays perfect. Well, step 3. Your food is fully heated and ready to eat when your SmartShelf light turns back to red. Your food will be held at a perfect temperature until you're ready to eat. Now, I like leaving labels on new stuff, but this. It's so beautiful. I gotta take the label off. Right there, HOTLOGIC, see? What an amazing invention. Wow, isn't that gonna look nice on your counter? Even in your house with a family, a busy family, you can have 4 meals, put them in there in the morning. You know, I get home at 11, she gets home at 8, he gets home at 3. You know, whatever they want in there. I'm gonna plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. This is just a quick unboxing and introduction to this if you haven't seen it before. Later tonight or tomorrow, we're gonna cook in it. I'm gonna demonstrate it for you. Plug it in. Oh, switch, remember the switch back here? There it is. Uh-oh, see? Oh, can you see? The blue, can you see? Let me turn off some lights. You can tell?
Yep.
Nice, okay. Oh, wouldn't you want that in your kitchen? Right here it says blue. Not ready? Red says ready. Oh. Okay. I'm glad you stopped by to see this. Is there anything more I can tell you about it right now, or do you want to wait? Again, this is good for offices, break rooms, cafeterias. I wrote notes because there's so many things you can do. Put one in the garage. Parties, buffets, holidays, Thanksgiving, you know. Put your corn, put your taters, put your stuffing, put a apple pie down there. And click on my link and use my discount code. Go to the HOTLOGIC website with my link and then click shop and go down and click appliances. And you'll see these. They're amazing. Maybe even show it to your boss for your office or your cafeteria. I bet they'll buy them. If you don't want one for your house. But you do, don't you? Okay. Oh, they're getting warm. All right. It's beautiful, isn't it? From side. Man, I love it. So modern and sleek. Okay. See, that's not going to get all splattered up like a microwave. All right. Thanks for watching. Stop back tomorrow. If you're not subscribed, subscribe so you don't miss the video tomorrow or all the HOTLOGIC videos. 77 of them, 78 right now. So click the link and check them out. Check out the minis while you're there. Cook in the car or cook at home. I take these to work too. They have them with the regular plug or for plugging into your car or your boat or your camper or wherever you are. We use them a lot, don't we?
Yes, we do.
They're so handy.
I can't wait to get this one going.
Yeah, and you know, if you had one or you saw me already and you got a HOTLOGIC, you know how easy it is. Yeah, this is going to be great. Look, they're red now. See the red? I don't know if you can see it. That means they're ready. Then we'll put a meal in. It'll turn blue then because it'll get colder and then it'll be ready when it's red. Or when you're hungry. All right, thanks for watching. Are you happy? Are you as excited as me? Let's go get some frozen food or something. Put them in here. Now we're going to have that for tomorrow, all right?
Yep.
See ya.